Well, production, we getting it moving.
All right.
What kind of chicken you got? Where you buy his chicken?
Chicken leg.
Okay, look, since you filming, we prepping right now. Okay, Cooking with Grandpa Bill, segment 2. All right. Happy Mother's Day to the mothers out there, and happy birthday to everybody, including myself, who's having a birthday or celebrating a birthday today.
Happy birthday! Happy Mother's Day!
All right. Today we're cooking. I'm cooking with special guests. I have my grandkids operating the cameras. We got Dayon on the stationary camera right there, and Toot, and there's Jay, and we got Miss Diamond working the mobile camera. And the special guests today are, again, my daughter Gugu, Shanika, and Keisha, who's getting the chicken ready right now. All right. And what we're having for dinner today is we're having lemon pepper rice with garlic butter, lemon pepper rice, tilapia, baked tilapia, and we're having cream of mushroom baked chicken, along with broccoli, corn, mixed vegetables, and rice, and a broccoli and rice dish.
So we have all our preps.
We're going to be putting the dish together. Right now we're getting ready to, we're boiling the water for the rice. We're doing 2 different kinds of white rice. We're doing white rice, and we're also doing the broccoli rice.
For the people who fix meals.
Yeah. This is for the chicken dish. This is for the fish dish. All right. So we have our ingredients set up. We have our shrimp ready. We're also doing garlic butter shrimp. All right, with the rice, and we have the tilapia clean. Keisha's washing the chicken, getting it ready, and in a minute we'll be right back at you with cooking with Grandpa Bill.
Woo!
Oh, there you go. All right. That's for what? The water for what? The water. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's a cook.
The rice is
already
on.
in the pan.
Okay, rice is on. There's 1 bag. We're doing 2 bags of rice, right, Keisha?
Right.
Okay, I only put 1 bag in.
All right.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Well, you can't cook with that phone in here.
I know.
She's trying to text and cook at the same time. That's the problem with good. She's trying to multitask. And she don't get all of it right.
Look at that.
All right, we got the rice ready. I need the top for that.
Okay. Toot, don't hit me now. It's Mother's Day. I hit Mike. And be waiting on the charge.
All right, stir the rice a little bit. Stir the rice a little bit.
So we got 2 kinds of rice going on. We got white rice, and then we got cheddar broccoli rice. What the kids like? You like white rice or cheddar broccoli rice?
Cheddar broccoli. I do not like rice because it tastes too sweet.
It don't even taste
when you
sweet.
put sugar in it.
Yeah, it's only sweet.
What
Put sugar in it.
which
one you like now?
White.
You like white rice? There you go.
Alright,
Just don't
get the oven up a little
You
bit.
get this conversation like you moving like too fast. Like slow down, follow us through the conversation. Not like that. Like like follow.
We'll see.
Pick a person and follow a person.
My fish dish don't take as long as our chicken gonna take.
It's getting hot in here, then?
No. I'm just doing
You just doing for me, so I'm doing that. I'm gonna do you like the white women do
like
toast.
diamond.
I'm gonna record you too.
Boy, I have a camera. I ain't doing too bad of a job.
Entertainment.
Hey, get off the camera.
They said they wanted to do Harlem Shake.
No.
Alright, make sure you get Keisha.
Get off
Can
camera.
I get another pair of gloves?
Yes, ma'am. Oops, excuse
I
me.
need juice.
Or you got the juice
Where?
in your brain.
No, I don't.
So what are you doing, Keisha? You seasoning the chicken?
Season it up.
What kind you using?
Just plain old seasoning, salt, and black pepper.
You got some gloves?
Because
we're sanitary over here. We're sanitary. We get our gloves on. We keep our stations clean. We got this.
What you do with some bags for this rice? Because you ain't even finished your ingredients over there.
Because I got it in my hand. I took this a lot. Should I season that chicken?
Put your butter in it.
Up.
She Excuse me, Keisha.
I was gonna let it get a little.
You gotta put all that in so it can melt.
Well, what's that?
What kind of cooking you be doing?
You know, play it by ear.
Y'all buttering the rice.
The butter, and then we need a little milk, huh?
And you add milk.
So much, just a little milk. Just a little milk, you think?
All you diabetics out there, don't look at this.
I really don't like cow.
Some cow up in there.
So we're getting the rice dish ready. The rice is getting ready. The oven is getting preheated.
This kitchen look chaotic. What's going on? You still over here seasoning this chicken, pepper and seasoned salt?
I'm in the kitchen, seasoning the chicken. And the finger licking. Girl, you got a daddy. It's my day to be cooked.
Got that going on. What you gonna do with
Just
it after you
lightly
get through
seasoned.
He can open it.
What you gonna do with it after you get through season?
They're gonna give us a family show after this.
He can open it.
We ready.
We ready.
What I'm doing right now is getting the butter sauce ready. The butter, garlic, lemon sauce to put over the fish and shrimp. We're gonna have the butter, garlic, lemon sauce over the top of baked tilapia and shrimp with white rice. So right now I'm gonna put in my garlic. It's always best when you're dealing with garlic, let garlic cook with the butter. Get it going. By the time garlic get going, you can stop your heat because you don't want to burn your garlic. You just want to get that garlic in there. If it's a garlic dish, you got to put some garlic in. Can you smell that garlic?
Yeah.
You can smell that garlic. Everybody smell that garlic, all right? All right, we got the garlic added in. We got the butter added in. All right.
Stop recording me.
Get that camera off me. Get that camera off me, boy. Mushrooms.
You pre-cut them or you bought them pre-cut?
I bought them pre-cut. They were frozen vegetables. You can buy them at the grocery store. Pre-cut, mixed already. You can buy a bag of onions, or you can buy a bag of peppers, or you can buy a bag of onions and peppers. And for me, bless you. I wanted the mushrooms too, so I added some mushrooms with it.
Fresh is better.
They're freshly frozen. How about that?
It's fresh.
How about that? Freshly frozen.
I know it's crazy.
They were frozen fresh. I'm cooking the garlic and with the butter, and you can just smell the aroma. Good woman, lemon juice. Actually, it's supposed to be special guests helping doing the cooking. Right now, it's just myself and my.
Oh, what you need me to do?
What you need, Keisha?
The butter.
Oh.
What you finna do with the butter?
Grease the pan so I can season, so I can put everything on top of it and it won't stick to the bottom.
Alright.
Can I get a spoon, please? Thank you, ma'am.
Onion powder. We got my garlic, onion powder, we got a little lemon juice. Now we're gonna add a little lemon pepper. Alright, lemon pepper coming.
Okay, what's his name? Guy Fieri.
Is the oven already?
Alright.
Yeah, it's on.
That's lemon pepper.
You know, God always
Keisha
come out
preheating
like
the butter in the oven.
Don't feel like it's on.
Yeah.
Me a shot.
Adding the oregano. I like the flavor. But my favorite spice in the whole kitchen, y'all, basil leaves. I love this stuff for some reason. I just crave it.
Y'all see? Something y'all know? Y'all want?
Alright.
Put us up?
Take a picture of that, Donald. Take a good look at that. I got all those spices mixing together right there with that butter. Let me stir them up a little bit here. Get them going. Alright, they're going. I'm going to kill the heat. Because actually, we're going to use this sauce a little later on in the dish. It's kind of like a butter gravy. little more lemon pepper so you can smell it. Alright. Alright.
That's your butter sauce?
This is my butter sauce. It's gonna be the topping over my fish dish. But for now, in my shrimp. But for now, my fish will be ready way before your chicken, so I can't put the fish on until later. We're waiting on the oven to heat up, and we're gonna take a break, and we'll be back again with Cooking with Grandpa Bill.
Wash your dishes with this homemade cloth. If your dish is dirty, then wipe it off. Go wash your dishes with this homemade cloth. I got you. You want me to do it?
You said you didn't want me. I thought you were going to.
No, man, I just take the top off.
Wipe your dishes with this homemade cloth.
Well, what?
And if your dish is dirty, then this cloth will wipe it off.
What?
Go wipe your dishes with this homemade cloth. M&M crochet for you, boss. Shop features crime scene, M&M, and the dogs. 5 for $20. Clean dishes on the way. Alright, let's do that pimp walk. We got that promotion. You can give us a deal. Here, save me. Save you. I'll save you. Somebody.
I sure hope she didn't get you on that blunt.
We almost escaped.
You have to edit that video.
We'll make sure the editor fix it all up.
It smells bad.
What smell bad?
Who the editor?
Fish.
Your butter nut?
Can I get a tab, please?
Mama, you try.
Can we get the chicken? Can somebody put on some gloves and come lay the chicken, please?
It's too far back. I can't wait to eat.
Okay, well, watch out. If y'all get out the way, you can be able to eat fast. Now, Peter. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
What I've done is mixed in some chopped onions and green peppers and mushrooms into the butter sauce. It's gonna be blackened. Keisha's getting the cream of mushrooms.
Right, I got you.
Yeah, it's hot. Get you a thing on. Put that chicken down right on the counter. Put it down. Yeah, get you a towel and hold the pot with one hand.
Right.
Alright, there you go.
Oh, this pepper.
You gonna cook it for a minute, then put the rice on it or what?
The pepper got to me.
We both have
That's my chicken tonight.
Girl, so I'm trying to make sure it's on.
Get it in there.
Go, can you do it?
Yeah. Ooh, this one would be fat.
Do you get it?
This one would be fat.
There we go.
By adding the pepper, butter, garlic sauce into the lid.
Y'all do this. What you putting up? Cream mushroom?
Right? Packing.
Yes.
Alright, now
What we're gonna do is put all of this in the oven.
Oh, that's gonna taste so fire, y'all. When that
Ready to go.
we need a fork so we can poke some holes up in this.
It's gonna explode over the pot.
Let's get a little fork so we can poke some holes up in that chicken so that cream of chicken can come on. Activate.
What you know about that poke the hole in the chicken? What that make it do?
faster.
When you cook, you know.
Yeah, then
I don't know. I never
you
figured
make it cook faster. Then when you put them holes in it, let that whatever flavor you soak up in there and infuse. Yeah, we're gonna have to do the rice later. We have to do that on the side pot. I moved out the pot. We just throw that on top of it at the end when it's all the way done. And then probably just put it back in there with some cheese on it. Probably about 350. Shut up, Julia. Cause you know I'm an air fryer.
It would have been at 350 if somebody would have showed up on time.
Gucci, I'm making a mess of the chill. I'm sorry.
Y'all sitting there on top of the stove. Y'all on the floor.
I'm gonna wrap my fish stack.
Let me get that.
Wrap my fish stack for the bake. All right, now I'm gonna get a picture of this. All right, got my fish layered up, the top tilapia with the butter, garlic, shrimp, lemon pepper sauce layered in between each fillet of fish. And what we're gonna do is wrap it in this aluminum foil here, and we're gonna pop it in the oven. The whole stack. Bam. All right. What we're gonna do when we get finished with that thing, we're gonna slice it off.
They getting ready for their next preparation. What they gonna do? What y'all doing next?
Alright.
Got your vegetables. Go give them doing their vegetables.
I'm gonna do broccoli.
Alright, there we go. We have the fish prepared and ready.
With honey roasted sweet potato.
Now we're
Then we're
getting
gonna top it off with
shrimp ready to add the
butter.
rice. We're gonna let the shrimp cook a little bit in the butter sauce. Hey, what a mess is doing? Two. You know if you break something, you know what color it is, right? I'll go get her. I'll go get her.
Okay. We got you cooking you.
Matter of fact,
Oh,
$10.
so we finna start. Okay.
How many dollars you just say?
$10.
It just started. I only got $2.
Yeah, I just mix the pots when you get started.
I thought you had $54.
Oh no, right there.
Snitch on the pot. I need my $10 too.
Yeah, we using them pots over there. Huh, Daddy?
Huh?
Them pots over there. What you using?
For what? Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, can we rinse out the pots, please?
You can go in the microwave.
That's my deal.
Good, cause then we can go in the microwave.
Talking her leg.
What you want, Jay? What you got to say? Hey, Jay. Are you gonna cook?
Yes.
What you gonna cook? You gonna help me cook the rice? Don't help you cook the rice. What is going on with the rice over there? Did y'all turn it off? Y'all stir it?
I'm gonna cook the rice.
It's off. Okay, let me get it. What is this? Because I used that for the chicken, so I didn't put that over there.
That rice powder is good, dude.
Yeah, it's ready now. That's it, now. So that's ready for the chicken whenever it's done. Diana, why you cooking?
Oh, wow.
I didn't supposed to say that on video. I didn't say that. I said
Microwave Pro.
oh, we
Come on over here and show them how to do it in the microwave.
We put cheese in the macaroni. I mean, in that, the only way we can eat. All right, let me cook them. Let me cook them.
Come on, girl.
This is my favorite.
I got plenty of him now.
That was
What you
good.
gonna do to your broccoli?
I'm gonna put that Johnny in some water with the oil,
It's the ghetto talk for me.
and then cook it up. And then I'm gonna add some cheese and some butter and a little milk, and I'm gonna infuse them all together to make the best broccoli cheese that y'all ever tasted.
All right now.
Yeah. If I can get the bag open.
Look, biting the bag. I'm glad you didn't get that on camera.
Get a. Ooh, don't get that. You know how to do that.
You want to do the pleasures of an open bag in the microwave?
If y'all don't stop.
Why not?
Yeah, well, if you gotta go to the microwave, you might say that.
We're going to do this one.
Yeah, we can let you do it.
Can she reach it?
Yeah, I can.
You can reach it? We're going to do that last. fast, okay?
Okay, where you at? We got the camera. Down. Get ready to put the fish in the oven. Alright? Stacked up.
Don't cook my
Get a piece of that chicken. That chicken's going along pretty good. We drop the fish in there. We're gonna set the timer.
I need some salt. Get some diamonds.
15 minutes for the fish, and we know. Start. Alright. The shrimp is almost ready for the rice.
Because we're going to take a minute for the fish and chicken to get done. Is that appetizer?
Oh, see, y'all would have showed up on. Well, everybody would have showed up on time. We would have been ready, huh?
Yeah.
I can barely pick you up.
I can give you a sample once I mix it. How about
It look
that?
like that shrimp need to be cooked like just a little bit more.
Okay.
Just a little bit more.
Girl.
Oh, that mercy.
Say you
Get that on
I
camera.
like the eggs well done.
Did you get that on
Not
camera?
burnt, but done. Not looking dead.